Okay, my boy pempe, and I can say, now the prince is choosing a maiden. That all the women, the maiden in the village will come and line up in the village square so that the prince will choose a wife. Okay, adios, go now. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. Keta is the women, is the other way around. That is the more reason why you should believe that Tinubu must go. Keta wine kwadosizie umuoka line no. The girl will now choose a husband. Imebe on eme na Ebuka obi. Watch good video.
Oh, but I go to your, let me see her. All the ready. No, why do you dress like this today? With your name and the state you come from?
My name is Alkonko Dorothy Ozoma from Anambra State, Obosi, Opala.
Cherano Nonda Anambra. Okay, why do you dress like this?
Because I'm ready. I'm good to go. I'm ready. I'm tired.
Women will be insulting us, but they like us more. Now, let me ask you one question. You say you are from Anambra?
Yes, sir.
And you are ready for marriage?
Yes, sir.
A man from where?
I'm not tribalistic. Any state. So far, it's from God. Direct from God. I'm good to go.
Do you go to school?
Of course, I went to school, Daddy.
Which university?
Dancing University, Umunya, Anambra State.
What do you study?
I studied mass communication.
So you need a man.
Yes, sir.
Okay, some men, you can see she took a bold step. This wedding, she wanted it by fire, by force. So let a reserved, responsible man come and marry this highly gifted, talented, polished babe. May God bless you and grant your heart desire. Amen. May your faith never fail you. What a beautiful girl. Well polished, very beautiful, very pretty. Oh yeah, how the whole men are coming? Stand here. Let's know if you are interested with her. If you are interested, be standing. She will make a choice. Date is allowed. You can date somebody, but don't fornicate with that person. Okay, sister, let's go and know if there's anyone you like among them. The one you can give a try. Allow her to work on her own too. Let her go and check them one after the other. Give her a microphone. Now, which one do you think you want to give a try?
My name is Alkonko Dorothy Ozoma. Please, may I know you?
My name is Chidi. Chidi Innocent Moral.
Yeah. Okay, I'm from Anambra State, and you?
I'm from Anambra State. No, we're not. Local government.
I'm from Anambra State too. Idemili North, Obosi.
Businessman.
Business.
Phone and accessory.
Accessory. That's good.
Katayami.
That's great. You're a big man. Sorry if I may ask, are you educated?
Actually, I'm just finished secondary school.
Okay, wonderful. I like you. Please, may I know you?
Which
state?
Imo State.
Please, what do you do for a living?
I'm a phone accessory as arena.
Please, may I know you?
My name is James Sizon from Imo State. Imo State. Yes.
Sorry, what do you do for a living?
I sell you men clothes. Men clothes. Yes.
Sorry, that's a good business. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, my name is Moses Odi.
From which state?
From Ebony State.
What do you do for a living?
Okay, I work at Babcock University at Mass Comm Department, a secretary for Mass Comm.
A lecturer. That's wonderful. Oh, I like you as a person.
Can you give it a try?
I know you go to. Please, may I know you?
Thank you. My name is Kingsley Enyebuchizo, aka K Fine. So that is it.
What do you do for a living?
Yeah, the thing be good in somehow. If I'm in a comment section, that's not the girl wants to work. Because the girl need it. That's why she had to dress up and wear the wedding gown and dress up with veil. First of all, Onya veil, is she a virgin? Okay, let me just put it out there. Are you a virgin? You know. Secondly, anyway, it's not the T-Desha. You know, secondly, it's the men that had to line up. People are saying that these people are people with low IQ, but you know, the country is hard. Some men need that kind of women. We cannot necessarily rule it out because some men, and at the end of the day, these men, Anambra, Imo, Enugu, all walks of life. The girl said that she needs anybody so long as the person is sensible. You see, women, at the end of the day, however people try to deny it, marriage is not an achievement, though. Marriage is not an achievement. Okay? Marriage at some point is an achievement, because in marriage you have to bear kids. You procreate. So to have babies is an achievement. If you don't know, to have babies in a marriage is an achievement, because if upon a marriage I draw this girl and upon a marriage I some sort of achievement, she would not work. A wedding gown, whether my dash ya dash or not tota ya tota. Wedding gown. Na public of igwe mado much aptasina that she ogo sina akwemadi ogo this girl I go. Anyway, to bring you the latest gist about Palava in town. So however you feel, my beautiful people, leave it on the comment section. Tell a friend to tell a friend that some if in Nigeria, because people thought it's not happening. Days are gone when the men are the people choosing the maiden. Now it's the women choosing. So however you feel, leave your comments on the comment section, because this time around, oh boy, oh, here they change it. Palava, you know they finish. Peace out.